Through the rapid modernization of technology and the internet, it is easier to disseminate pornography and sex scandals. Because of the advancement of communication in social media, messages, photos, and videos can now spread like wildfire, or perhaps faster than wildfire. In the Philippines, there are famous or rather infamous sex scandals that can be listed off the top of our heads. This is because news outlets and articles have made them more public than they already are. That is how widespread they are, that even broadcast news had made stories about them. With how sex scandals can be reproduced quite quickly, it creates a grave problem when people share obscene pictures and or videos of someone without their consent. In this regard, the Republic Act No. 9995, or the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009, was legislated to protect everyone from the issue and maintain their privacy. It was enacted following a scandal surrounding the actress Katrina Halili and Hayden Co. After their involvement, the actress learned through a reporter that Hayden had posted a video of them online engaging in sexual activity without her consent or knowledge. Since RA 9995 had not yet been legislated then, she filed a complaint under RA number 9262, or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Act. However, the court decided that Katrina was aware that she was being videotaped, and the website address could not be linked back to Hayden. Therefore, the case was dropped. The actress had to undergo treatment due to her depression because as the video became viral, she felt violated repeatedly. With this case, it catalyzed the enactment of RA number 9995 to protect further cases similar to this. The Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009 prohibits the following. First, it prohibits the unconsented capturing of photos or video of a person's private regions or them participating in any form of sexual activity where the person has a reason to believe in their privacy. Second, it prohibits the reproduction of the photos and or videos of the sexual activity in question. Third, it prohibits the selling or distributing such photos and or videos. And lastly, it prohibits the publication or broadcasting of a sexual act or comparable conduct in print, broadcast, or social media without the written authorization of the persons featured. The penalty imposed on persons for breaking any of the prohibitions listed in the Republic Act 9995 varies from 3 to 7 years of imprisonment and the fine of 100,000 to 500,000 pesos at the court's decision. If legal entities such as corporations break this law, their licenses or franchise will be revoked, and their officials will be held accountable. Lastly, after serving their sentences and paying any fees issued, aliens will be subject to deportation. In the first 3 months of 2019, the NBI had reported 142 offenses of the Republic Act No. 9995. Since the law's implementation, the prosecution of offenders of this provision has improved, and the government has taken actions in similar cases violating this act. It aims to reclaim our right to privacy, which is being repeatedly and slowly compromised with the growing social media and the internet. It helps us control our sexuality and expression, guards us against exploitation, and gives us a new sense of protection for our dignity and integrity.